Target 2. I can compare and order integers, positive and negative fractions, decimals, mixed numbers, and common irrational numbers such as pi and square roots by locating them on a number line. One type of problem you will see is given a set of numbers that may have fractions, negative numbers, positive numbers, decimals, square roots, and you have to order them from least to greatest. The first thing you should do is make them all the same form. It's easiest if you change them all to decimals because you have a decimal here. So negative 3/4 is the same thing as negative 75 hundredths. And then you have the 432 thousandths. Now negative 1 you can keep, and then you would have to find out what the square root of 2 is. The square root of 2 is approximately 1.41. Now that you have them all as decimals, it's easier to order them from least to greatest. One way you could do that is put them on a number line. Negative 0.75, that is smaller. That's in between 0 and negative 1. It's not bigger than it's not bigger than 1, so it's going to go in between 0 and negative 1. Now halfway in between, this would be negative 0.5 or negative half. So you want to go halfway between that. So that would be about right here. That'd be your negative 3/4 or your negative 0.75. 432 thousandths, that is not quite 0.5, so it's not quite half in between 0 and 1. So it's a little bit before. And we will label that one. Negative 1 will be over here. And the square root of 2 was 1.41, so that's in between 1 and 2. Not quite halfway in between, because 1.5 would be halfway. And now we know that the farther we go to the right on the number line, the bigger the numbers get. So if I was ordering these from least to greatest, negative 1 is the smallest, then negative 3/4, then 432 thousandths, and then the square root of 2.